Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Yellow Dog's Adventures. Today we're going to go to a place called Gillespies Beach, or in Māori, Kohaihai. I'm probably butchering the name of this beach in both English and Māori, so I do apologize to anyone that actually knows how to pronounce these names. So basically what I've done is I've literally just gone on Google Maps and just zoomed in to really sort of off the grid kind of places, and I found this little beach. It's not too far away, but I've never heard any of the locals talk about it or anything. I imagine it's quite, it's a hidden beach, those beaches that we all want to find when we travel. So anyway, I'll stop blabbering and we'll go get some gas, get some snacks, and we'll go do some exploring. Alright, so we've got snacks, we've got petrol, we are on our way out. So the total cost for this trip is looking at about $28, which is piss all. So yeah, let's get going. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but there is an absolutely stunning view of the mountains ahead of us. Alright guys, it looks like we're going off-road a little bit here, which is a good sign, because that means it's going to be not a common place for people to come to. So yeah, let's keep going. Should be good, boys. Let's go for a sweet drive. So we've just got out of the car. We're just coming up to the beach. The beach is just down there, I can hear it. But before we go, I found this little miners' cemetery, so that's a good clue into why this place exists. It must have been a mining town back in the day. Yeah, without further ado, let's cut a track. So we've got our first gravestone here. Edward Ryan, who died in 1902, age 31. That's a very young death. But at least we know when this town was, or when it was, when people were mining here. This one, Annie Quinlan, a native of Ireland, died in 1894 at 50 years old, well 49 years old. John Quinlan died in 1910 at age 75. Well, he had a good life, 75 years. Also from Ireland. So it must have been an Irish mining town in about 1900. Oh, this guy, he had a tough go of things. So he died. Patrick Carroll, who drowned in the river, age 17 years. Poor guy. Erected by his father, Michael Carroll, in 1890. I better not walk over the grave, that's a bit disrespectful. Here we go. This is the one we're looking for. It's raining, by the way, but this is the one here. Pioneering families of Gillespies Beach, who settled here in the 1860s. Many of their descendants established the farming settlements of Southwestland, which is really interesting, eh? So I suppose a lot of Southwestland people are actually Irish descendants. And here we have Eleanor. A good wife. Light divine surrounds thy coming. God himself shall mark thy way Secret blessings richly flowing lead to everlasting day. Thy will be done. And then we have this guy who, yeah, apparently we don't know his name. He's just got a tree to mark it, which I think is kind of cute. Alright, Stinky, are you done? It's a lot of whinging. Actually, I've just spotted a track over here right now. Let's go check that out. Come on, let's go. Okay, well, that's everything. Let's go check out the beach. This little muddy dog is jumping all the mud. Look at your feet. They're so dirty. You're jumping in the mud. Mud dog. Not on that one. Not on that one. That's my one. Hold on. In you go. In the back. Oh, you're so dirty. In the back, you're gonna make all the car all muddy. Alright, and here we are, Gillespies Beach. The waves are absolutely roaring right now. But first, let's go check out this thing. Let's see what it is. Okay, so this is, it's called a suction dredge. It has something to do with panning the sand or getting the sand, I don't know, maybe mixing it or something like that. But basically what happened was these guys went to America. I suppose they were Irish or Kiwi, one or the other. Sorry, they went to San Francisco, and they were looking for the best mining equipment to bring back here to Gillespies Beach, and they found this bad boy. Unfortunately, so this was like it was new technology and it didn't work essentially. So they converted it back to old technology, and unfortunately I think all the gold had sort of been dredged out by that point. So yeah, it was a double failure. I don't know, I suppose it's pretty cool. Wow, would you look at this? Beautiful stone beach, and that water is just like an incredible like green sort of turquoise. Kind of like that greenstone, like the really light greenstone. Stunning. Check out this, you can see the ocean here, and then on this side you can see the mountains, which is absolutely goddamn incredible. Just like tucked away in all those clouds. Wow. Wow. This place is stunning. I think this could be greenstone. I'm not sure, but look at all the beautiful, incredibly beautiful rocks. Just amazing different colors. there's orange and there must be iron. Like this one's a good example, hold on. See that? But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is greenstone. I think it's pretty poor quality greenstone, but yeah, probably all the good stuff's been taken off the beach by now. Oh, here we go. Check out this one. Crazy. Whoa! Hey! Whoa! He gotcha. Alright, one last thing before we go. We've got to leave our mark in the most cliche way possible. Here we go. All done.